You'll say we've got nothing in common, no common ground to start from, and we're falling
Ow, ow, ow.
apart. You'll say the world has come between us, our lives have come between us. Still I know you just don't care. And I said, what about breakfast at Tiffany? She said, I think I remember the film, and as I recall, I think
My finger hurts.